Welcome back to The Life of Amy June. Today we're diving into one of my favorite productivity hacks, time blocking. I'm going to show you exactly how I plan my entire day in under 15 minutes using this simple system that keeps me focused and stress-free. So what is time blocking? It is when you schedule specific tasks into actual blocks of time throughout your day. Instead of just having a never-ending to-do list, you give every task a home on your calendar. It is a game changer for busy moms, small business owners, and honestly anyone just juggling a lot. Step 1. Brain dump. This is something that I do in the very beginning of the week, generally on Sundays. I write down everything that needs to get done in the week. Business tasks, family commitments, personal errands. No order, no pressure. I just get it out of my head and onto paper. However, I do categorize it based off what it is. So if it's family, it'll go under family. If it is my beauty business, it'll go under beauty business. If it's home, it'll go under home, etc. You get the picture. Step 2. Pick my top 3. These are the non-negotiables. If nothing else gets done today, these 3 things make it a win. Step 3. Break tasks down by the amount of time it will take to complete the task. For example, in my Productivity Prism Planner, we break tasks down by quick tasks, which are tasks that take under 15 minutes. We break down tasks that are under an hour, and then we have projects which are an hour plus. I always like to fill each of these categories with at least one thing. This helps me move the needle on my goals and also get some stuff done that I might not necessarily want to get done, like pay a bill. Step 4. Time block. I start with the fixed events like school drop-off, meetings, and client calls. Then I slot in my top priorities, each in their own time block. From there, I fill in smaller tasks in between. Oftentimes, I also like to batch my tasks. So this is what you'll see here in my daily schedule. I will batch 2 to 3 hours out to do marketing tasks, 2 hours to do beauty tasks, and within those I will mingle in my priorities and then even like the smaller quick tasks. Step 5. Add buffer time. Life happens. Emails pop up, kids puke at school, traffic makes me run late. I always leave little windows of space so my schedule isn't crushed by one unexpected thing. I used to literally block every single hour, and then when I would go over on time, it would throw my entire day off kilter. We want to avoid that. We want to live as stress-free as possible, but still accomplishing things and feeling good about getting the things that we want to and need to get done in a day. And that's it. In less than 15 minutes, I have a clear plan for the day. No more guessing what I should do next or feeling guilty about what I didn't get done. Time blocking keeps me realistic, focused, and way less overwhelmed. And let me tell you, I do this the night before. I make my to-do list broken up by time, 100% of the time the night before, and then occasionally I'll time block the night before, especially if I have big meetings and things like that. I find that it's very helpful to wake up and know exactly what I need to do, when I need to do it, and I just get it done instead of scrolling on my phone or wanting to go buy some more candles at Home Goods. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more productivity tips, planning routines, and small business hacks. Drop a comment below if you already use a time blocking method or if you're ready to give it a try. I'd love to know how you plan your day. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in my next video really soon. Bye!